Hi, what's up guys? Justin here of YugaTech, and today our friends over at PayMaya wants to show you their new nifty feature called Pay with PayMaya. What makes this feature so awesome is the ability to purchase online goods through your phone number. With this new method, convenience is key. Gone are the days of having to dish out that credit or debit card just because users don't remember their card numbers to input for their online purchases. If you think security is an issue, it isn't. Future users should be happy to know that with the use of Pay with PayMaya, security is the first priority. Right after each purchase, users should automatically receive a one-time PIN or OTP for verification. Now, for those of you who are new to PayMaya or just simply curious on how this new feature works, get ready for a quick demo. The good news here is that you can use this convenient payment option on your favorite fast food places and restaurants, retail brands, deal providers, and even government institutions. Of course, for you to be able to take advantage of this service, you have to make sure first that you have your own PayMaya account. You can easily download the app for free at Google Play Store or Apple App Store. And if you want an additional 50 pesos in your account, don't forget to use our code right here. When you sign up. Now, let's get started. First, we need an approved merchant. In this case, we're going for Boozy because, you know. Once here, we can choose to log into our account or register if we don't have one, or we can get a little bit riskier and check out as guests. Once we have our order set, let's check out. And once we've settled our shipping and billing addresses, choose the online payment option. This will depend on the merchant's website. Here at Boozy, it does indicate PayMaya wallets, so here we go. From here, click on the Pay with PayMaya button. Then we will be redirected to the PayMaya checkout page. Now we have to log in using the mobile number linked to your PayMaya account and password. After logging in, we should receive an OTP in the mobile number linked to our PayMaya account. Oh, here! It's right on cue. Now, we obviously entered the OTP on the webpage to verify our transaction. And once successful, we should receive an SMS with the complete transaction details. It's literally like purchasing anything online without the use of your bank cards. Now, before we wrap this video up, the great people at PayMaya want us to remind you all that they do have an introductory promo going on for you guys. Customers who will use Pay with PayMaya for their online purchases until January 30, 2020 will receive 1%, 10%, or 100% cashback capped at 500 pesos per transaction. For more details, check the link in the description box. And would you look at that, right on cue, once again, I just received a message from PayMaya informing me of my cashback. What I like about this service is it's not only convenient, but it's also more rewarding. So we can always use COD, but when we use cash, we only get what we paid for. But with Pay with PayMaya, you get more. Their rewards and the convenience, giving us a better than cash experience. And that's it for this video, guys. Let us know in the comments if you will or are already utilizing Pay with PayMaya feature. Or maybe you're just simply using PayMaya already. And if you like this video, give us a like, subscribe to our channel for more content. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit YugaTech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this is Justin, and I'll see you soon.